officially 8:34. Well, it is 8:34. I bought a car yesterday, sight unseen, halfway across the country. It sounds way worse when you go over it again.
Yeah.
Then we gotta drive that sucker all the way back. That's gonna be the crazy part. And we're flying Spirit. Real crazy. First time ever flying Spirit. Where the TVs at on this thing? No TV? For the what? This is not a TV? That's not a TV.
It looks like a Batmobile, huh?
Yeah, it looked like an older Batmobile. Middle of the garbage. Oh wow, look at the hexagonal thingies. I want to do that for the garage. What's going on, brother? What's going on, sir? How you doing, man? Watching a video. Huh? Watching a video? No, I'm making one. Oh, you're making a video? Oh, shit. There it goes. Oh, it looks nice and washed.
Yeah.
It looks a lot cleaner in person than it does.
I told you they hadn't detailed it yet in those photos.
It looks, you want to sit in it real quick, babe?
Okay.
It's windy.
It's so windy.
Oh, it looks, it's really, you see how it's a lot more cockpity than the M4?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Can I help you, sir? Stop begging.
Oh, yeah. Brake light is on, so there's an issue with the brakes. The tire pressure is low. I can hear something rattling in the back. This will be fun.
Here we go.
For a 911. Yo, what the f I do sometimes.
Oh my God.
Bought a Porsche, yo. How does this even work? Do they have plates on the back?
No.
Sport mode. Yo, what the? Let's go left. This is enough test drive for me. I mean, I already bought it. So
And we got 10 hours of test driving, babe.
yeah, minimum.
I was just about to say, don't do anything crazy. Yeah.
Feel good though. No?
Yeah, I mean, it was smooth.
It's slow. Don't lie, that was slow.
That was kind of slow, yeah.
Oh shit, I went the wrong way again. That looks good. You want to pose next to it? What do you think about the vet?
Oh. Now you're talking about the Porsche.
The vet. I mean, baby, look how old this car is. This is like a 70s car, maybe. That
Nice
e-brake.
for 70s.
That e-brake is in the sky, boy. But man, that's clean. I really gotta clean it again. My version is the older version. Yo, my 911 is the older. This is a comparison, taillight to taillight. I like the newer back better though.
Yeah.
This,
You can change out
what?
the color of the...
Yeah, you could clear them
I
out.
think that'll look nice.
Yeah. Oh, that's why my man got balls. He parked all the way in the front.
Yeah, it's touching, no?
Yeah. So you see his darkened ones. I'm gonna darken that because you see how much sexier it looks dark?
That looks like a beetle.
Yeah, whereas this looks like sexy. Like look at the front angle. So I'm definitely gonna black out the headlights. They're both stock, but this one looks more sexy than this one. Definitely gotta do some window tint and stuff like that. I definitely take the 992 over the 991.2. But what can I afford? This one. Like you're a superstar.
Hey, see you back.
People just be nosy as hell. Oh, that's a 996 Porsche, babe. That's the 2003, I think, or 2000.
I thought once you got it, I thought it was gonna end.
Ooh. This is like our tradition at this point.
Yeah, it's good.
Get the hotel. Come on, what the fuck is this? What the going on? Spice Girls. You smell that? What's this? I smell pussy. I'm rolling now, nigga. Now watch me. Yeah, we passed the hood. This downtown. Oh, should I turn? I should turn right. I was gonna go a little bit more into downtown Detroit. What?
I don't know. She just has her.
She had the mean mug on too.
Yeah,
You
like,
seen that?
Well, how dare you? You had your door open for a long time, not even looking at what's coming your way.
I should have run the GoPro. Your boy was slacking because Spirit don't want no carry-ons. And I didn't know how much stuff I could fit in the trunk, to be honest. I didn't know. And you already brought stuff. I knew I was counting on you bringing something. Oh, hey, I know. State Trooper, what is he in there? I mean, we weren't speeding anyway. Ah. Sport mode. Oh, it got louder and everything. So many things that I didn't think I was gonna like about this that I actually don't mind. Like this, a whole bunch of buttons and the way they click. I'm like, this is so old school, but like you really don't care. Like no heads-up display. Yeah, like you don't mind. Like
I don't have a heads-up display.
oh yeah, you're used to no heads-up. No re-entry to USA. Oh shit, you got your passport?
Yeah.
Damn, this car is low.
Mm-hmm. Oh damn.
Yeah.
Oh
crap. Don't watch my butt. You getting this?
yes.
Oh. Just like that, we're in Canada where they care more about getting you told than the damn passport.
Oh, maybe it's when you come back into the U.S.
No, I think it's when you go on their side. First drive in the 911, and we're heading to Canada.
To escape.
Okay, I wouldn't quite say that.
Yeah, but then we're in Canada.
Funniest thing, do you want to tell a story or I'm going to tell a story? Yo, the funniest thing just happened. So
You shout your people out.
You can show them. Yeah, we just passed the border to Canada. And I guess since you haven't been in a long time, they made us go through this like customs immigration thing. We're going through the whole thing, right? And shout out to everybody who watches the channel, because it's honestly at this point, it's crazy. We in customs in the Canadian border.
Getting a car searched.
The car is getting searched. Like they try to make sure we don't have anything in it. Out of nowhere, one of the TSA one of the border patrol guys goes, "Wait, you do YouTube videos?" And I'm trying to figure out how they know. One of you viewers, subscriber guy, over there waving in the corner, let them know. Man, listen, thank God I don't do no crazy stuff, bro. Thank God I don't do no crazy stuff for real. I did a couple donuts in Canada. They almost found me out. Was almost slow speed exposed and jailed. If any of you border patrol guys just recently started watching, because he probably told you guys the channel, thank you for your service. How many more miles we have to go? Like 600? When I drove from Phoenix to California, it was
Windmills.
yeah, with windmills.
That makes sense.
They're shaped weird too. Yeah, it's just a scary looking thing. Here she is. We made it to Niagara Falls. I mean, I'm pretty sure I'll figure it out before you guys put this in the comment section below. But what are these 4 things? Does that mean I have PDLS? If I have the four lights, I really like these headlights, but I'm gonna swap them out anyway. And I want to know if these are the good ones. You know, fast forward to the back. Ooh. Put the headlights on. Man, yo, I don't even know if it's coming in as good on camera, but that rear tail light going all the way across on a 4 does look fire. It looks nice, bro. It looks really nice. The car looks very sexy. I even forgot what I came here to talk about in the back. Maybe the wing? I forgot what I came here to talk about. Just look at it. Hit the gas! Just like that, the first night with the Porsche is complete. $75 Canadian for parking. The spot is a little bit nice. They let us park in the staff parking place, but I mean, I kind of would have paid $30 to park in the hood, you know. What's this? Oh, the heated steering wheel's back here. All right, real quick. Anything for the shot, baby. Anything for the shot. Niagara Falls pics. You know what the guy say for the gram? This is gonna be for the gram? Man, look at them hips. Boy. Yo, them hips is nice, man. If you get a a dot two, I think it has to come with the hips. If you don't get the hips, man, look at that.
Stood until 1938 when the ice jam pushed the bridge off its abutments and it collapsed.
Got you. So that's the old bridge. I wonder, do they allow you to walk out on it from the New York side? Probably do.
Oh yeah, that is New York.
That is New York side right there, baby. The water's really nice and green, though.
Yeah, it's like clear.
Yeah, I don't know about clear, but green, yes. You want a zip line?
Sure.
All right, go ahead. I'll watch you. Let you get your shot. What's all that yeasty looking stuff right there?
I don't know.
Oh, I've seen that at Croton too, remember?
Maybe it's just a product of all the minerals.
Maybe it's a damn thing.
Oh my God.
Dad joke for the win. Man, I can't get enough of this thing, boy. Let's look at it. Parked up in normal traffic. Got about 6.5 hours left to go, and then your boy has to go pretty much straight to work. And I guess you just hang out, enjoy life.
Slow speed while you go.
Yeah, you funny. You can take the M4. First fill up in the Porsche, turn it off. Hopefully this bitch starts back up. I think we in Hanghamsville, New York. Let's see how much it costs to fill up. You roll your window?
Oh yeah, roll my window down. Oh, I can't do it.
Oh, you can't?
No. Okay. Got it all on camera. I'm used to this type of engineering, you know?
I don't think I...
Clicked it all the way? Yeah. And then it bounces back. And then used to this.
Yo, it must be the same one as the Tiguan.
It is the same one as the Tiguan. I'm not new. This is all I know. Yeah, it goes click and then it.
Let me call Jay back in like 2 seconds because I'm about to tell him that he just sent me the link of that person who owned the M3. That's not the one you buy. That one is fucked up.
Dang.
Morning fresh. Caribbean culotta. New car scent.
Why don't you do new car scent and leather? No?
You bugging for that? What?
Why?
Mix that shit up in the Tiguan. Don't mix that up in a leather. I better not ever in my life get in any of my cars and see leather.
What? It stinks?
I'm gonna flip out, baby.
Gold. It stinks?
Yeah.
Oh, smell it.
Let me buy it for you just so you can open it and smell it.
Wait, you smelled it before? It's bad?
I don't like fake sound smell. Like leather is leather. Like, you feel me?
Okay.
This is. I'm gonna give you the scanner.
Ooh.
A lot of times I give you more generic, but that's good enough.
You know how to use this?
Yeah. What do you have?
Just plug it in. Start
Okay. Oh, yeah.
Bring it back in.
Yeah.
Somebody wants to be out.
All right, give me 1 second.
You want to pay for those or drop them?
Oh, yeah.
Listen.
Oh, sorry. I'll leave this.
Check out here.
Baby. Neighbors. Oh, man. Well, I guess they have to print it out there.